पुरानों कपड़ों से मेरा लिए एक कुशन बनाया।
How we made it?
मम्मी ने यहाँ से सिला चारों
First we have stitched 3 layers. Then I put it all the old cloth of my son. Then I will stitch all the 4 side stitching. Then I made a dots by using threads. So this is very comfortable to use and all the clothes are set inside. Now it will not move from here and there. Okay. So is it nice, Arav?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, it's comfortable for you?
Very comfortable.
Okay, thank you. Oh, so you want to sleep in this, Aryan?
Yes.
How will you sleep? Like this? Oh, you feel very happy. Okay.
My gift.
It's your gift.
Huh.
See, friends, how baby is feeling happy when I made in front of them by their own cloth. Thank you, Aryan. See how children are enjoying in their own baby clothes pillow. They are thinking it's very lovely to use for them because there is own clothes is kept inside and you can preserve their memories. No need to throw outside or to give it to others. If you really want to use, if you feel it is usable and you can give to others, they can use nicely, then you give. If it's an old cloth which cannot be used, kindly make it a pillow. See friends, first take one cloth which should be double of your cushion size and little bit extra, and then stitch from 3 sides and make your child to fill their own clothes. They'll feel happy. And then आप उसको स्टिच कर दीजिए from the first stitch from the which layer is open, and then ask your child to give a hands to stitch. They will also enjoy to stitching and they learn how to stitch it. And then once it is ready, you can stitch all the 4 sides with your round stitch or whichever the stitch you like it. So your basic cushion will be ready. Then you can give any kind of design on the front side. Okay. And like I am making flowers, kind of small big dot. See friends, how to make the flower. Just put a needle from the down first, take it up, round it for the 10 times that thread on the needles and pull it, and again once pull it out, then puts it the needle back to the back side. See, you can pull the needles back side slowly because there is cloth inside, so it is little hard to put. Yes. If you like this idea, please give a likes. You can subscribe our channel.